Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This here is another addressing the issues of the Democrats, Demorats, we should call them, selectively using the word Constitution. Can you imagine the audacity of Mayor de Blasio interjecting the word U.S. Constitution into his conversation while addressing the individual restaurants and bar situation being open to 25%? These individuals are suffering dearly, and their due process of law and equal application and protection of the law clause has been violated fiercely. It has been trampled upon by not only Governor Cuomo, but Mayor de Blasio especially. Governor Cuomo tries to cure something, Mayor de Blasio tries to stomp it out, vice versa. We need to address these issues. He's talking about protecting the U.S. constitutional rights of the citizens of New York City. He is so much full of shit, it is not funny. I really could not fathom having a person like this who changed his name to de Blasio from Wilhelm and now getting up and falsely making statements about this, the census, and trying to make a charade that he's in protection of the U.S. Constitution. That's a fallacy. It's not only a fallacy, it's an abomination of the U.S. Constitution. But here's an elected official sworn to uphold the U.S. Constitution and the protection mechanisms inset in that, and here he is being a very, very, very disrespectful to the U.S. Constitution by quoting it in his speech so late into this false epidemic that was created and generated by a foreign nation. These foreign nations were fueling and paying Antifa and Black Lives Matter. Where is it? Where is his prosecution? Where is the seizure of these funds? These funds are not seized. They should be seized immediately. Under the Civil RICO Act, that was filed by U.S. Constitution Protects All Lives Matter in the Southern District of New York, it addresses such. But his willful and knowing participation in the abomination of the U.S. Constitution, supporting Barack Obama, naturally, we don't have it. I'll tell you why. Because there are people in the Southern District of New York monitoring the computers that took that ECF filing, electronic court filing, which was mandatory because the courts were closed on June 30th. So this civil RICO was filed over 2 months ago, and here we have nothing. We're trying to figure out, we're asking questions, nobody knows nothing. But I still have a copy of that in my computer until somebody hacks in and obliterates that also, which I've been hacked into numerous amounts of times, which I've made Judge Arleo in the U.S. District Court of New Jersey aware, as well as the Southern District of New York. So who is hacking into these systems? We're going to tell you who. The Communist Party's regime, who is supporting the overthrow of the U.S. Constitution and the United States of America. This is who is doing such. This is who is, rummaging through your computer systems at will, without you knowing it, and destroying items that can be used against them later on down the road. So therefore, we need a full investigation into such prior to the election, because these people have the ability to go in and alter the election. So therefore, we need the assistance of every U.S. citizen and every U.S. Constitution law-abiding citizen who fortifies the Constitution, not want to overthrow it. These young kids, they wish to overthrow it, and whoever participated is liable under RICO. The Civil RICO Act, you can sue them and the people responsible behind them, triple the damages. That is why we filed a civil RICO act against Antifa, Black Lives Matter, and Barack Obama, and all financiers known and unknown. Thank you very much. Have a great day. And sorry to bother you again, but Mayor de Blasio this morning in his address to the city really, really made me laugh. Quoting the U.S. Constitution. What a disgrace.